A giant mole rat. It might look like strange prey for a wolf, but it's the best food to be had on these high plains. Better than the smaller grass rats. There are rodents everywhere, but hunting here is no picnic. There's no hiding an orange-coloured wolf in this open landscape. And the grass rats are hyper-vigilant. The mole rats are careful to never fully leave their burrows. Every wolf has its own unique strategy to catch these rodents. This one tackles the challenge head-on. But they're no honey badgers when it comes to digging. This wolf doesn't care if the prey go underground. He has a different technique for grass rats. He huffs and puffs. Blowing down the holes like this, he hopes to flush his prey to the surface. Genius! But it's only a meagre grass rat. Their eyesight is poor, but the wolf still needs to tread carefully. Mole rats are acutely sensitive to vibrations in the ground. Grandmother's footsteps seems to be working. Oh dear, outwitted by a mole rat.